Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need relaxed, slightly damp hair to shape freeform without breakage. First, rinse and towel blot until 70–80% dry, then apply a light salt mist or water to increase pliability. Next, detangle gently with a wide tooth comb, split hair into 4 to 6 small, loose sections and secure with clips. Once the sections are set, start twisting the first section at the root with your fingertips to encourage coil formation. Make sure to avoid tight tension to prevent damage as you begin. You now move through each section methodically. Take a 0.5 1-inch subsection, twist with fingertip rolling for 8 to 12 seconds to coax a coil, then palm roll to tighten the strand slightly. Once done, interlock neighboring coils by rolling them together where they naturally meet to build thicker freeform locks. This encourages mature connections without tools. After all sections are processed, let hair air dry or use a diffuser on low heat to set the shape, because heat can set definition faster while minimizing frizz. You finish by committing to low manipulation maintenance. Avoid daily touching and only separate at the roots when necessary to prevent unwanted merging. Palm roll once a month to encourage tightness and maintain shape. When new growth appears, gently guide it into existing coils rather than retwisting every time. If sections feel loose, apply a light protein treatment and give hair extra moisture while reducing styling frequency. That will restore structure without overprocessing. If matting occurs,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.